Raise your hand if you carry a wallet around that has cash in it. Wow, I see about half of you do. And I see, James, you have a fat wallet, so would you mind letting me borrow $1? Thanks. Hi guys, my name is Kiri Singham Seti, and today I'll be showing you how to turn this $1 bill into a money plane that can fly 20 feet. To start off, you want to take your dollar bill and fold it in half to give it a good crease, and then unfold it. After this, you want to find the A and L in Federal and fold the front back so that it reaches the A and the L. Great. Now we want to bend the top right and top left corner down into 2 triangles. This is going to create the added weight we need in the front for the plane to fly very far. Next, we want to leave about 1 centimeter of space here, and then fold downwards again. As you see here, there's a little bit of space here that doesn't have the previously folded triangles. Now, to create the actual front of the plane, we want to fold down the top right and top left corner again into 2 more triangles. Then we want to fold this bottom tongue upward. This is going to hold those top triangles in place. And lastly, we want to put this top triangle downward. This is going to make sure that our plane can go very far. Now with the nose of the plane completed, we're going to turn the dollar bill around and fold it in half. Once we fold it in half, we're going to fold each side down halfway. Ta-da! Now we have finished our money plane. And now it's time to do the test. A perfect throw. In conclusion, when you want to look cool, make a money plane.